Hey everybody, welcome back to BigRedEDC. Well, it is monthly knife club box time for March 2026. This is the Ultimate Knife Club brand name knife subscription. And like I said last month, they started last month. This month is the same. It actually came with the very nice outer wrapping. So peeling the sticker off the box, it just makes it look a little better for presentation. So shout out to Monthly Knife Club for that. So our unboxing knife will be the Iron Man Lat Vind Mini, sent out by our good friend Rory. I now have the Lat Vind in the Boba Fett look, which Boba Fett, my favorite Star Wars character, and now I have it in the Iron Man, pretty much my favorite Marvel hero. So, very good. So as always, guys, we will go through each and every item in this box. And, as always, we will start out with our sticker. They come up with some really, really cool stickers. This is the Tiger. Let's see, what is that? Not sure what is right below. Maybe it's like a warrior tiger or something like that. It's like a necklace or something. I thought it was a spaceship, but I don't know. But it looks cool. I dig it. And it's got lots of colors. So, as always, guys, we have our card right here to tell us what is in this box. So we've got a few items. So the first thing, Cyber Tiger, that's what they call it. This Cyber Tiger, it's a free monthly sticker. They say it has a value of $5, but they give it to us for free. So the first thing is a UST waypoint compass. Now, items like this we've seen in other boxes for sure. Maybe this exact one or pretty close to it. It's basically just a simple compass. It's got a measuring device there, another measuring device here. Very cool. Kind of, let's just say it, it's a box filler item. It is. Retail value, they say, of $7.99. So, cool if you're into hiking and stuff like that. It's always good to have a compass with you. And, this one, I kind of see this as maybe a backup compass, But, hey, it's in the box. So we're going to look at it. So the next item we have is the Carry-All 9-inch black Cordura zipper pouch. So if you guys know me, I'm all into pouches. You got some hook and loop for your favorite, maybe SKL or DSKFS patches there. Now it looks like we have two pretty deep pockets here. They will carry some very, very big knives for sure. 9-inch. I know you guys put these pouches to good use. I'm sure someone could find a good use for that. This will probably end up, as well as the UST, it'll just be a little extra giveaway item. This pouch will probably end up in a giveaway at some point. I dig pouches. Personally, I think you can never have too many pouches. So I know this will be, somebody will put that to good use in a pouch. So we're going to kind of set it off to the side. There we go. Very cool. Retail value on that, $7.95, $8. So, all right. Not too bad. A couple of very large knives will fit in that. Next thing, we have seen this on the channel before. This is the Woobin G5 400 lumen flashlight. I'll open it up here. We'll take a quick look at it. Like I said, I have previously reviewed this, and I just got to remember how it works. I've given them all away. Woobin has been very generous to send them out, and I have hopefully played the generosity role and shifted them off to, oh, we got a sticker. We got to remove this sticker. That's a very sticky sticker. Good Lord. That is a very sticky sticker. I guess that's why they have stick in the name. But there you go. the little Woburn G5. The head will rotate, which is cool. It rotates pretty much 180 on it. This is your dimmer or brightener switch over here. We should have a slide switch right there. There it is. That will choose our different mode. That should be off right there. There's our button. Slide it up. There you go. Turn it on. Turn it off. Cycles through red, white. Very cool. And then if we slide it all the way up, there's your charging port. So, I mean, it's kind of a cool little light. You've got your rotating pocket clip right here. If you push it up and then rotate it, it'll slide off to the side. Like I said, if you want to check out, I do have a full review on it on the channel already. There you go. So cool. Nice little G5 flashlight. They say the value on that, I mean, it comes with charging cable. That good stuff. Value on that, they have it $25. So next, ooh, we've got something. Ooh, okay, cool. It looks that we have 3 knives in this one's box. This one I think is going to be a little bit big even for our 9-inch pouch right there. This is the Mantis Seymour fixed blade. Now we've seen some Mantis knives on the channel from Monthly Knife Club, and in the past they've been kind of wicked blades. So there you go. That's the way we're starting out. Looks like a nice plastic-ish. It very well could be Kydex. I'd have to look it up and see. Looks like we've got a rubberized handle. Let's see, what does it say? 440 HC stainless steel black tire rubber handle that goes to the tread on it, but it is a rubberized handle for sure. Full tank construction, polymer sheath with clip. There's your clip right there. Oh, there we go. Okay, there's your clip, belt loop, and the retail value, $28. Okay, now from the Mantis knives we've seen on the channel before, this is a little bit subdued, let's just say. But we've got a couple of holes there in the blade. Do we have a lanyard hole? No, we do not have a lanyard hole. 420 HC. It looks like we got a little bit of a recurve. We got a very generous forward finger choil with some very large jimping going on up there. Glass breaker? No, I figured we might have a glass breaker. No, no glass breaker. But very interesting fixed blade. Okay. Not bad. Okay. Right on. Oh, looks like we're going to have to zoom out a bit. There we go. Get everything in there. Now, when we do that, you know what? I'm going to do this. There we go. That'll give us a little more room. Very good. So we still have 2 knives to check out. The next one we're going to check out is a knife from Traditiaonal. As you guys know, I get these boxes for, basically 2 reasons. 2 reasons. I get to see knives that I generally probably wouldn't choose on my own. Gives me content for the channel for sure. And gives me great knives to give away. Or sell, depending on what I choose to do. But, so this is the Traditiaonal Butterfly GM. GM14. JM06 GM14 is the number if you like. We got some good stuff in there. Looks like we got cleaning cloth. We got a sticker stuck in there. Let's see the sticker. We like stickers. Oh, there we go. Cool. That's a wicked blade. Goodness gracious. So, all right. I wonder if that's what it looks like. 14C28N stainless steel blade, micarta handle, green micarta handle, ceramic and bearings in the pivot, crossbar lock, value $58.59. Ooh. Get out of the box. Get out of there. Okay. There we go. All right. Nice looking knife. You guys know I'm probably digging that handle. It's the shape I like for sure. Straight lines, a little curve. Looks like we got a lanyard hole for sure. Deep carry-ish clip, trying to be, which is reversible. Very good. We've got a crossbar lock and dual thumb studs, which makes it ambidextrous. Oh, looky there. Nice drop point blade, swedge, coated blade, 14C28N on the steel. Yeah, we're zoomed out enough, it's not going to focus, but that's okay. Not bad. I might have to review this one. Put it through the test, give it a review. Feels pretty good in hand. I can kind of feel that clip a little bit. We'll have to definitely get it into work and see how much I feel it or don't feel it. It's not too bad, honestly, right there. But okay. Not a bad little trivia. I like the style. You guys know that style is right up my alley for sure. So, okay. Nice little Trevisa there. Ooh, and we got the magnetic portion of the flashlight wanting to latch on. So, there we go. We'll do that. That'll work. We gotta see our sticker. So, one more knife to finish off in this box. And it is a giant mouse. And there we go. It is the giant mouse Iona version 2 black linen micarta magna cut steel. Runs on washers, liner lock, and a retail value of $195. I very much like the giant mouse Iona. Absolutely. It's probably my favorite giant mouse knife because I love the way that handle cradles my hand. I get a fantastic grip on it. Dual thumb studs. Now it's running on washers, so it's not going to be super drop shutty, but it's not bad. Looks like we have a reversible wire clip going on. I have definitely reviewed the Iona several times on, well, probably at least 2 on the channel. Fantastic knife. Like I said, probably right at the top as far as my favorite giant mouse product. Love the way it feels in hand. Absolutely. Absolutely. I think that is a fantastic way to end that box. Now, as I've said in the past, the current price of this one is $180 of this box is $189 plus shipping and handling. I am still grandfathered because I've been getting it for so long. I pay about $175. So they're saying the overall, so they're saying the plan is $189 plus shipping and handling. That's what you'll pay. And the total value is $322.47. Now, I have went through on several occasions, I stopped a few months ago, of just comparing these items to, everyday prices that you could get them online. And I had one box that was maybe, I forget, I think it was in that $30 to $40 range. The price that I could find it online, the items online, and totaled up was about $30 to $40 less than what they said on their card. Other than that, they have been within, I'll say, $15 a lot of times. The value has always been there. The value, I have never gotten any box that was valued less than what I paid. Now, obviously, these are not items that you can pick out. These are what they send. That is the downside to those of you that may not like that aspect. Absolutely. I always say, subscription boxes aren't for everyone. They're just not. But for me, they're fun. I like the surprise. I like the fact that I get giveaway items in there, and I get content for the channel as well. So, very cool. We got the UST compass. We got the G5 flashlight from Woobin. We got the 9-inch dual-sided pouch. We got the Mantis I got to get the name, want to get the name right. The Mantis Seymour fixed blade. We got the Trivisa butterfly, which I'm definitely liking. And great way to round out a box with the Giant Mouse Giant Mouse Iona version 2. Love that knife. Absolutely love it. So, like I said, I have reviewed some of these. Some of these items I have not. The Trivisa will definitely probably get a full review on the channel for sure. And the Giant Mouse Iona version 2 will probably end up getting sold. I also say this, I pay for these boxes. They are not sent to me for free. And if some of you out there watching, you're still watching right now, and that Iona version 2 has caught your eye, shoot me an email, BigRedEDC@gmail.com. Excuse me. It's probably going to end up getting sold. And if somebody out there likes it, shoot me an email. First come, first served. Thanks a lot, guys. Greatly appreciate you hanging out and checking out the March's monthly Knife Club box. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Have a terrific week coming up. Like, subscribe, leave me that comment. You know I love talking to you. Until next time, guys, I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.